So let's see if it fires up. Yeah. Always double check, make sure she's not leaking. Number one, that fixed it. So now put all this back together, clean up all my junk, and send him on his way. He'll be happy. Hope this helped you out, and hopefully you don't have to do this, but it's a process and needs to be done, so it's done. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. It really means a lot. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, scrap that down below, and we'll see you in the next video.